हॅलो हनी, आज जोपाकीत केला.
आज जोपाक वेज थाली केल्या.
Okay. दाखव म्हाका लस्सी. Let's see what you made. दाखव.
I made
What is this? हे किती आहे?
bean bhaji,
Bean bhaji. Okay, what else?
cabbage bhaji,
Cabbage bhaji. What else?
tonak.
What else?
I made rice,
Okay, and
dal,
okay, dal tadka. Okay, very good. What else? That's it?
I'm making puri. I have the dough resting.
Oh my god. And what else?
And I made soul curry. No, not soul curry, but kokum curry
Kokum curry.
without the
Tiwol.
yes, tea wool.
Tea wool.
Tea wool.
Okay, tiwol. Okay,
I
good.
made, and
And
then
then?
I also made salad.
Salad. And this is how you're making your puris, huh? Puris.
Puri puri.
Fluffy puris. Today is gonna be a big feast. Boy, I'm gonna be sleeping good tonight.
All veg.
What do you want to tell a message for all? You know, in India, there's a lot of, also not only in India, other parts of the world, people are losing the Indian, their home cooked meal, and they're going for burgers and pizzas and French fries. You being an American, and we have eaten that food. What do you think your message is for those people?
Burgers, pizza, all that stuff is not healthy. Leads to bad health problems. This food, healthy.
No, but in India, they are making it a big fashion. It is a big thing right now. People are like, oh, McDonald's, Burger King, what's the other franchise?
KFC.
KFC.
Why?
Thank
It's
God
new.
it's Friday. What is it called? TGI Friday. They think
It's new to them. It's new. Once they realize what the food is and it's all frozen and in the frozen frying,
junk.
they will stop.
Yep. This is the real food, guys.
Yes.
Gotta eat our Indian home cooked meals.
Indian food. Honey, food is ready. Jopayo.
Ooh. Oh my God. I feel like I'm in a restaurant in Goa. Look at that, guys. That is a hard working woman right there.
Hard work.
How long did it take you to cook all the food?
All day.
Oh.
Not like, you know what I mean.
I guess you deserve another necklace now, huh?
Necklace.
Huh? Another new car?
I want a house.
Okay, all right. Wait, in Goa?
Both.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what you got.
Okay.
We gotta start from here.
Okay, we're gonna start from here. We have puri. I have banana. I have tea wool, which is kokum curry. I have cabbage bhaji, bean bhaji. I have tonak, dal, mango pickle, salad, rice, and papad.
Okay, let's try.
Hey, honey. Let's try your lovely meal.
Midnight. Midnight.
Tonak. This is tonak, my favorite. Let's try the bhaji. Marvelous.
Papad. Tasty peppered.
Good job. Tate, how is your food, Shana? Oh my God, you're making a mess. We haven't had a haircut for you. You know why, right? Yeah, why?
For my moon.
Yes, you're keeping your hair long. Usually you look nice and trimmed, but ooh, papa noise, huh? What do you think of Mama's food? What do you think?
I'm hungry.
Okay, all right, Baba. How is your food, honey?
Best.
Bhaji, cabbage bhaji,
Dal and rice.
and dal. Okay, let's see that bite.
Best pickle.
You wanna go back to eating your burgers and your pizzas?
I never ate burgers and pizza.
I think it's time for you to do a restaurant,
Yeah?
maybe. But I'm not gonna be working in a restaurant because I'm not good at.
You be the waiter.
No. I'm not being waiter. My mom didn't raise me to be a waiter. No, makanaka waiter job.
Waiter.
Naka.
Waiter so heat.
Nah, waiter nahi.
I can see it now.
I am only taking money. You
If it's
cook.
my restaurant and I'm doing all the work, you ain't taking no money.
No, I am taking the only at the golo. I'm sitting at the counter and taking money. You cook, and then we'll hire somebody to do the waiter job.
But I collect the money.
Okay, you collect money. You cook in
You
the
can
back. And,
collect it, but I'm collecting it.
oh, you want me to give it to you? Okay, that's fine. But no, I cannot be the waiter job. Waiter job is very difficult.
Anyways, this is good, guys.
Perfect.
Mommy.
Best.
Mamma mia. Say like Hardesh. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia, pizzeria.
Mamma mia, pizzeria.
Your hair looks so messy, Jana.
Because I'm getting my moons. A moon.
2 weeks and it's gonna be chopped off.
Alright guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, share and follow for more. Bye guys!